Last week, we talked about how to repurpose your written content. This week, we're going to give you some tips on how you can stretch your video content as well. Welcome to another Marketing Tip Monday. Creating video content is time-consuming and can be expensive. It's good to have a singular purpose in mind when you create a piece of content, but once it's released, it's a great idea to think of some more ways that you can use it. Number one, tweak for different platforms. We've talked about the benefits of posting natively to sites instead of sharing from one platform to another, but you can take it a step further and edit your content so it can be optimized for those other platforms. That can mean adding subtitles to a video so somebody can watch it on mute on Facebook, or cropping a video to be square so it looks like it fits in with your Instagram feed. Next, chop it down. If you have the ability to shoot longer pieces with a lot of information, you can post one long-form video and then follow it up with some teaser or little snippet videos. This can raise awareness and drive more traffic to the content that you're trying to get more engagement on. Lastly, don't be afraid to venture into other forms of media. An interview can be a great post on Facebook or YouTube. Then you can pull the audio off of the conversation and upload it to a podcast. You can also take screenshots from the video and add quotes from the conversation. These still images can be used for Instagram or tweets. Creating good content does take time, but you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Use one idea and then parcel it out to get the most reach across the internet. This will bring your brand more credibility and will create those multiple connections that we all need to generate leads. As always, I hope we got you thinking a little bit outside the box, and we'll see you again next week on another Marketing Tip Monday.